Hey everyone, Kashif here all the way from Sydney City, Australia. Yes, this is my second vlog. I know, this is crazy. Can I just say that coming up with vlog ideas, what to do in a vlog, oh my god, the struggle is absolutely real. Now I pretty much get why people actually do some crazy things in their videos. Seriously. So Muslims around the world are celebrating Eid, and if you guys don't know, part of my family, well, most of my family is actually from Pakistan. And being born and raised in part in Dubai and then Pakistan, both being Muslim countries, I feel like there's one thing from Pakistan that I remember the most, that I grew up eating, the one and only thing that everyone pretty much eats once in a lifetime or pretty much on occasions, and that is biryani. But I feel like if you ask like Indian Pakistani kids who actually pretty much have biryani being cooked in a home since ages, and we're pretty much like, everyone in the world is like, biryani is like massively crazy and insane, which I pretty much get. I'm not saying that it's not. It is absolutely great, but in our family we pretty much have biryani like every week, every day. Okay, not every day, but pretty much every week. I'll pretty much say let's say every Sunday. I remember in Dubai, my mom used to make biryani like you know, like on special occasions or something. But I think that in Pakistan, she started making it like massively crazily, like every freaking weekend or something. And in Australia, we're making it like every Sunday or Monday or Friday or any day, biryani day. Yay! So in this vlog, I decided that let's just maybe, I think I haven't ever tried making biryani. I mean, I'm not a good cook in terms of desi food anyways, but I have never cooked biryani. So I decided that in this vlog, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to try to make biryani. And I don't know how that's going to turn out. I honestly don't know how that's going to turn out. But let's just hope it does turn out well. Alright, so before I do start the vlog, my heart definitely goes out to the people in Pakistan. There's been a massive plane crash in Pakistan. Pakistan International Airlines plane crash. It's all over the news. I mean, clearly it is one of the saddest times, especially a few days before Eid. So yeah, definitely my heart goes out to the people and the families affected by it. So yeah, just make sure that you guys, I mean, I feel like these days life is just so unpredictable, so just be thankful to what you have, really, and yeah, just be happy with what you have and make people happy around you. I guess that's what matters. Alright, so that's enough serious talk now. Let's move on to the vlog. Alright, so now before starting the biryani process, just letting you guys know that my mom already helped me out with some masalas. So she pretty much wanted me not to screw this up, because biryani is a sacred dish in our household, and I'm pretty sure in the world. But so she actually helped me with marinating the chicken, and also helped me out with some masalas. So let's just go to what that process was looking like. As you can see here, this is the biryani masala. You can pretty much get it from any store. It just needs to say a good biryani masala. The one that we use is a particular brand. I'm gonna mention that at the bottom of the video, just so that I'm not promoting the product, yo. So this is basically the homemade masala that mom makes herself, which includes dhania powder, which is basically coriander powder, some salt, dried chili flakes, turmeric powder, black pepper crushed, some zira powder, and which is basically the cumin powder. And with that, she mixes around yogurt, which could be somewhere around 2 to 3 tablespoons, really. And also some garlic and ginger. Doing biryani is definitely one of the most craziest things. Pretty much, I feel like it's just gonna turn out good or bad. I don't really know. So I've decided that my sister is actually going to help me make biryani. Yep, here she comes.
A few moments later.
And guess what? So I've decided for my next vlog. ठीक है? सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताओ that did you even watch my first vlog? Yeah, right. That's my sister, everyone. That's my sister! Alright, so for my next vlog, what we're going to do is we're going to actually make biryani, man.
Yes, so have you prepared everything?
I have, and guess what? We've been doing that since last night. I was up last night. I was up after even midnight, and I was preparing the chicken, which is actually sitting over there.
So yeah, everything looks good. So let's start.
Alright. So, Ben is getting ready, full on, and guess what Lila is doing? Lila! You are so cute. That's exactly what Lila does every freaking time. Let's do this! So I've done that nitty gritty work, which is basically marinate the chicken, which actually looks like this. Oh my god. The aroma is like amazing.
Can't cough on this.
I cannot cough. Edit karo isko. So we've got the chopped onions. You can see these are all chopped onions. I took like almost like 3 onions, right?
Yeah,
They
3
were
big
chopped finely, not fine, but it should be just like something that you use in your salad. 4 tomatoes?
5 minutes.
5 tomatoes! 5 tomatoes were diced, and you can probably see that I'm not a good. Just so you know, biryani does take around 3 hours, so we're not going to be vlogging for 3 hours. That's not going to happen. But it does take 3 hours, just so you know. Whoa! So how many cups? Just 3 cups?
3 cups maybe?
3 cups of oil. Yep. So when you're having biryani, you just like forget everything in terms of diet and all that. So we got the tomatoes. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, so what are we doing with the oil pan?
So, put a lid on the frying pan for the tomatoes.
Lila barking at the back. Lila, calm down! Okay, so the oil has been literally in there for such a long time.
So you drop the onions and you run. That's not so bad.
Alright, that's not bad. Okay, I did it. We were real good. We're safe. So my sister has taken over my vlog seriously, and she's actually going crazy with my phone, shooting Lila, and pretty much taking over this vlog.
So we'll leave that to, cook for a while, and then we're gonna add the tomatoes.
Yeah, Gigi, vlogging spirit aage tujhme bhi hai.
Add the chicken in the onion.
Dump the chicken in.
Yeah.
It's like,
Oh, that's good. So just do it. You can do it.
okay. Whoa. And now what we're gonna do then?
Just leave it. Just leave it alone.
Just leave it alone.
So that it kind of, done a little bit golden brownish, and see all the water on the side. Then grind up the water.
So do I need to cover it?
No, don't cover.
No covering.
No covering at all.
No.
A few minutes later.
And the water has dried out, right? Yeah, looks like it. Thoda sa spoon ghumao. Gentle. You
Very.
don't want to break the chicken. You have to make sure.
Koई baat nahi.
You have to make sure that the chicken is as it is.
It's
When
not
you
breaking.
serve up the biryani.
It's all about the chicken.
Yep.
It's all about the chicken.
So you don't want to overcook it as well. So now you're gonna add the tomatoes in. So now because the tomatoes are already, kind of purified them by keeping them on a low flame. The water has already, kind of evaporated from the tomatoes. It won't kind of overcook the chicken. No. Never do it like that. You know the rule. Gentle. Mix it up, baby. Mix it up.
We're mixing it up, guys.
Mixing it up. Quite good. That is good.
This was easy to make. Like seriously, I can just like make this and just like cook that with this. Because the thing about biryani that I love the most is this. Lila, what's going on? What's going on, Lila? So do you just like bark at everyone? Or is it some people? Alright. Clearly some people. Not happy! So we just added potatoes. And now
Mix it gently.
we're gonna mix it gently because the chicken is getting a bit tender.
Yeah.
No, we don't
break
want
the chicken.
Don't want to break the chicken, guys. In biryani, it's really important. Chicken is supposed to be broken because chicken is only the thing that matters in chicken biryani. Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay. So what?
That looks good.
I made this! Alright, my sister. You help. Alright.
That's it. Don't.
That's it? Now do we add the yogurt?
Yeah, you can add the yogurt.
Alright. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add some yogurt. And this is somewhere around 3 cups? No, 1 cup? 1 cup. So 1 cup yogurt.
Less than 1 cup.
Less than 1 cup. So maybe let's say a quarter cup.
No, half. More than a half.
Alright, more than a half. More than a half. Just like a little bit more than a half. And we're just gonna pour that yogurt in.
I guess that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, I guess that's it.
That's it?
A bit more.
Then let's just do the whole thing. Let's do the whole thing.
That's it.
Okay. What's looking good, yo?
And then you cover it with a lid.
Now we cover it. Okay.
Okay. And then you leave it for like, say 5 minutes so that all the spices and everything gets kind of, mixed up with you.
Okay. So our chicken is definitely done over there. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna just this is just water, so it's time to get the rice cooked, yo. And that's like, I don't know how much liter of water, but that's a lot of water. We're gonna add some spices. Now these are garam masalas.
Yes. And then you put this to boil.
Ooh, this is how it looks like. And so far we haven't added oil. So that's just herbs and spices, starry things, some cumin seeds, black pepper, 4 tablespoons of salt really. So the rice is done. We pretty much just boiled it for another, like 1 boil. And then that's
And we were going to prepare the biryani now.
that's it.
Yes. And it's on, like on a low flame.
And then we've got some onions cut over there that are just like frying. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start layering some spices. Not spices, we cut some vegetables, which is chilies, almost like 13 odd chilies, big and small, a lime, and then tomato, 1 tomato, not 2 tomatoes, cut in half, just like that, just like rings and all that stuff. And then we've got the, we don't forget it. Mint and coriander. Yes, mint and coriander. Yes, there's coriander in it. And for the people who don't like coriander, I don't know how you guys live, yo. So first goes the rice, and then comes the. इसको किसने कहा?
Salo.
कैसे?
हाँ. Put the chicken on the top. फिर से gravy भी बाद में डाल देना.
Here comes the chicken. That's the layering.
Spread it all. Give put some chili.
A few minutes later.
So we pretty much worked our entire day making this biryani. Me and my sister. This is the final review. Whether or not this biryani is a hit or a pass or a fail, we shall know that. Dun dun dun! Alright, time to taste. And that's doing the tasting. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so the final verdict was the biryani hit. No, in fact, it was good. I feel like the chicken was a bit dry, and the rice was a bit tough. I don't know, like not uncooked really, but it was a bit tough. And I feel like, yeah, so biryani was definitely not really a 100% pass, but it was actually really good. The process, definitely my sister helped me out. Will I suggest you guys making biryani? I would, but damn, there's a lot of preparation and a lot of cooking. Like, I have like a massive respect for my sister and my mom for cooking biryani over the ages in the kitchen, which actually is a tiring process, and it takes like ages to get the chicken marinated, and then it gets ages to pretty much get the cooking done, and then it gets ages after the whole process when it finally comes out. Yo, that's just like crazy. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this process with me of making biryani. I am super tired, so I'm so done. But yes, I'm just gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe or click on that bell icon if you want to be notified of my upcoming videos. There are a lot of coming videos, yo. Yeah, I shall see you in my next video.